In this video, I'm going to show you the proof of the angle sum property of a triangle, or the proof behind why the sum of all the three angles in any triangle adds up to 180 degrees, always. So let's get right to the proof. So first, we take any triangle named ABC. Now we draw a line parallel to any one side of the triangle such that it passes through the vertex of the triangle. Here let's draw DE parallel to side BC, which passes through A. Now let's take a close look at the current figure. Using some basic properties of lines and angles, we can easily find the relation between some of the angles. Here, angle DAB would be equal to angle ABC, and angle EAC would be equal to angle ACB. But why? Well, we know that DE is parallel to BC, and AB and AC act like a transversal to them. And if we apply the alternate angle relation to the given relation, we find that angle DAB is equal to angle ABC and angle EAC is equal to angle ACB. Now one last important thing to do. We know that a line has an angle of 180 degrees always. So let's apply it to line DE. So we write angle DAE is equals to 180 degrees. Now angle DAE consists of more angles, so we replace angle DAE with angle DAB plus angle BAC plus angle CAE. So we get angle DAB plus angle BAC plus angle CAE is equal to 180 degrees. Now we can replace angle DAB and angle CAE with angle ABC and angle ACB respectively, as we had earlier seen. So it's done. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. They are all the three angles in the triangle ABC. So we proved the angle sum property of a triangle, and that the sum of all the three angles in any given triangle is 180 degrees. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share this video for more such videos about math, science and technology in the future. Thank you.